G'day, Corey here from the Ipswich store. Today the product we'll be showcasing is the Yeti LoadOut GoBox. The Yeti LoadOut GoBox is your ultimate storage solution. The GoBox is designed with a rugged outer and a purpose-built inner. The material used for the outside is an automotive plastic used for bumpers, so it is not only designed to take a hit but also bounce back. The plastic is also being tested in extreme climates from hot to cold, so no more breaking from extreme temperatures. The Yeti GoBox comes with your never fail hinge system, the same you would find on your Tundra cooler. The GoBox also comes with non-slip feet, which are great for securing down to ute bodies, so it won't slip around. The GoBox is also fully submersible for up to 1 metre for 30 minutes, so no matter the conditions, your goods will stay dry. Inside the Yeti GoBox has the Pack Addict organiser. The Pack Addict is a great organiser for your small items. With mesh pockets in the front for quick access to the items you need quickly, such as a camera for those quality moments, or something like gloves that you want to keep out from everywhere else in a larger pocket. The Pack Addict has a great design where it sits flush with the lid, so you're not wasting any of your internal space but still getting a small goods organiser. The Pack Addict is deployable with some Velcro strapping on the side, which allows it to be removed so you can work on paperwork throughout the night if you leave the box in your ute. The Yeti GoBox also comes with a Caddy. This is great for organising your medium-sized items. It can be used on both sides, so it's more versatile with whatever you may be carrying inside. It is removable with a ergonomic design handle, so any sized hand will be able to efficiently get it out. You can take this with you. Many people will use them as a toolbox or a tackle box that can be taken with you. The main compartment also comes with a divider in the middle. Although it only categorises it into 2 sections, they like to call it a organised mess, so you can still get to the items you need while having some sort of organisation. If you need a tough storage solution, the Yeti LoadOut GoBox will suit your every need. Come down to Tentworld today to get yours.